This weekend on the Bachelorette PI edition, we're taking things a whole new direction, to the lab. Our lovely scientist, Professor Burgess, is looking for her model organism match.
I'm Dr. Burgess, a teacher at UC Davis with my PhD in genetics. I've done many experiments in my lifetime, and this time I'm looking for a model organism match for the experiment of a lifetime. I'm looking to do an experiment involving CRISPRs. I want to knock out the gene that involves in sex determination. I know that there's a lot of model organisms out there, and I want to find the perfect match that will keep my passion for this research alive.
This seems like a great opportunity to make a perfect match in the name of science. Let's meet our model organisms. I know that they've been waiting for their chance to shine. Hi.
Hello there.
My name's Drosophila melanogaster, but my friends call me Belle. It's so exciting to meet you. Your name's been buzzing around the scientific community.
Oh, thank you. Oh.
Hi, my name is Saccharomyces cerevisiae.
Oh, okay.
And I know a thing or two about brewing. I don't know if you know that, and I can definitely feel like there's something brewing between us.
Oh, well, yeah. I look forward to getting to know you better.
Okay, it's interesting. Hi, I'm Mus Musculus.
Hi.
My mom told me to never come to a party empty-handed, so I brought you some cheese.
Oh, thanks.
Sorry, I got hungry on the way here.
Oh, well, that's okay. See you in there.
Hi,
Hi.
I'm C. elegans.
Oh, it's nice to meet you.
I hope that I'll be able to worm my way into your heart.
Oh, thanks. See you in there.
So, what do you think about the model organisms we picked out for you?
Oh, well, they seem pretty great. None of them seem fishy like Jenny or Vario.
Oh, let's go over to cocktail hour to get to know them better.
Sounds swell. Oh, hi, guys.
Hi!
Mouse, you want to go talk? All right, let's go.
We know all about you, but I wanted to make sure you know a little bit about me. Because of my living conditions, I am very fitness oriented and I can run on my wheel for hours. But aside from that, aside from how muscular I try to be, I have a soft side and I can make you feel all warm and fuzzy.
Oh, well, that's pretty great, but what I really want to know about is your genes. How do you fit into my experiment?
Well, like you, my sex is determined by the SRY genes. And of all the model organisms here, we're the most closely related. We share 99% of the same genes.
Well, that's pretty wonderful, but I'm a little concerned about your gestation period and your housing in the lab.
It's true, my gestation period is the longest of anyone here, and my family does take up a lot of room and resources, but I hope you can look past that.
I don't mean to bug you, but I'd like a chance to talk to our leading lady.
Buzz off.
No need to be rude, Mouse. I'd like a chance to get to know Drosophila a little better. It was nice talking to you. So why should I choose you as my model organism?
Well, first off, I'm a pretty fly guy. I'm low maintenance, reproduce easily, and mature quickly.
Oh. So, what makes you the man that I want to study?
Well, my sex is determined by the ratio of XY chromosomes, which I think is pretty nifty.
I'll take that into consideration. I think I see C. elegans over there. It was nice talking to you, Fly.
Great talking to you too.
Oh, hi, C. elegans. So tell me a little bit about yourself.
Well, I want you to know that I'm pretty family oriented. My siblings and I are really close because we suffered a horrible tragedy when we were kids.
Oh, I'm sorry. Well, I'm happy to listen if you're comfortable with opening up.
Well, in order for us to survive, my siblings and I had to eat our way out of our home.
Well, that's terrible to have to grow up without a mother. But I have to ask, do you think this will affect your ability to be a model organism in my experiment?
Well, I still think I'm the right model organism for you. My sex is determined by a ratio of sex chromosomes to autosomes. I'm easy to store. You only have to feed me bacteria, and I'm the only model organism here that can be easily introduced into new DNA.
Oh. Well, you make a great case for yourself, C. elegans. I'm so glad I got to meet you.
Sorry guys, cocktail hour is over. It's time to see who's moving on and who's moving out.
There are 4 of you here, but I can only pick one. And some of the decisions are easier than others. First off, yeast. Why are you here? I want to study sex-determining genes, and you don't even have a sex. I'm sorry we couldn't make it work for this experiment. Mouse. You have a lot of great qualities that I look for in a model organism, but I'm worried you'll keep me waiting too long, and I don't have room in my lab or my life for someone like that. I'm sorry. Drosophila and C. elegans. You're both low maintenance and have great big families. Drosophila, I appreciate you being here and think you're a dream model organism for someone, but as it stands, I have to pick C. elegans for my model organism. You're so easy to work around with. I can't wait to see what we could do together. Will you be my model organism?
Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you.
And there we have it on this whirlwind episode of the Bachelorette PI edition. Keep a lookout for the upcoming season of Bachelor Pad Model Organism Edition.
I know there's a lot of more.
Well, my ex...